This little old buck coming in here to this feed block now. The other doe's been chasing him off. She don't want him up here. He's just a little 3-point, but it's the first one we've seen. All these does and all these fawns, I knew there had to be some bucks out here somewhere. He's finally getting him a little taste of that feed block. That doe ain't chased him off. She probably will in a minute. She's easing back up over here. Yeah, you can tell he's getting a little more nervous. She's right over there watching him. She'll probably run him off in just a minute. She done run him off like 3 times this morning. But at least he looks good and healthy. So does she. Yeah, he's getting a little bit. She getting a little bit antsy. She probably ain't gonna let him stay. She done told him to leave. And she's looking off back there like there's something else coming up. There might be another one out there somewhere. He's done eased off over in the wood line. I don't know if he'll come back or not.